If there is any layer 1 blockchain that you want to invest in its ecosystem, then SUI network should be that particular blockchain you should be looking at right now. SUI token is a new price discovery, creating all-time highs and getting a lot of attraction in the cryptocurrency community. SUI network could be the next Solana in this current bull run. Raw Powell, in his words, said that SUI network is the chosen one in this cycle.
Last week, we had Grayscale come out and do a SUI trust. This one really feels it has some momentum.
Just the disclaimer is I am on the board of the foundation. I'm a mercenary when it comes to my own money and have for a while been thinking is that this might be one of the chosen ones.
In this video, I'll be showing you one of the best meme coin in the SUI network that is currently at $28 million market cap that has the potential to run to 10 billion. Now, I'm particularly excited about this meme coin. I will also show you other meme coin to take advantage of in the SUI ecosystem. Before I show you this meme coin, I also made a video about 5 other meme coins that I'm also excited about. If you want to see those meme coins, the link to that video will be in the description. And also, I'll be making a video on when I'll be selling all my cryptocurrency in 2025. Because it's not about buying cryptocurrency or about getting excited about bull run and you not planning when to exit. I learned this the hard way in 2021 when I made some money and lost it in the market. So I'll be sharing with you my game plan and what I'll be doing. If you don't want to miss that video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Let me show you this meme coin on SUI ecosystem. If SUI network become a success tomorrow, paying attention to SUI network is also important, and that is why I'm paying attention to top SUI meme coins. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining all those meme coins to you. As you can see on CoinGecko, SUI meme coin market cap is just $472 million market cap. And if SUI will become successful, and I can tell you, this thing will actually run to billions. If you look at Solana market cap in terms of meme coin, is already 4 or 5 billion or more than that, but it's an opportunity for early investors like you and I to take advantage of the SUI network if SUI network will become a success tomorrow. And I'm going to be sharing with you some of the list of SUI meme coins I'm actually looking at. The first on the list is 3ACAT. As you can see on top, 3ACAT. Now this actually started as a joke in 13th of September when someone made a joke on Twitter, and guess what? Voila, we have a meme. Obviously, that is how most meme coin has been created, which is out of memes or out of joke or out of anything that is funny. We just have a meme coin. And since then, it has been skyrocketing up to $30 million market cap. Right now, we can actually see some healthy correction, currently at $26 million market cap, which provides a lot of opportunity. I remember when Dog with Weave was around $40 million market cap. I didn't get into it, but today it's currently at $3 billion market cap. And this is an opportunity for people that believe in SUI. In my opinion, I believe in SUI because of the sentiment, not really because of anything that could happen on the network, but because of the sentiment around SUI, it can actually go higher. Now, this is how cryptocurrency market goes. I remember in 2021, when the sentiment was on BNB, guess what? As BNB was going up, everything that was on BNB network goes up alongside with it. We saw the likes of SafeMoon, SafeMass, and all the meme token that is built on the Binance network. And as you can see, the circulating supply, all the 10 billion token is already in circulation. No token for the team. Everything is on the LP, meaning that nobody can actually dump this coin just by being an investor or being a VC. So it's actually a fair launch. Let's look at the chart a little bit. As you can see, we're having some healthy movement. You can see we started all the way, pushed up onto this level and had a correction. We're pushing up again, creating a new all-time high. You can actually see that this is actually moving up nicely, and that is why I'm interested in paying attention to what is happening in this particular meme coin, which is AAA. And if you go to the chart, this is like a line chart, but it's almost the same thing. But that could be a correction. But to me, looking at the market cap, I just want to jump in and wait, because in cryptocurrency, sometimes price action does not really respect that much. because during the bull market, everything goes up. You just have to pay attention and just jump into things that are still very low. Looking at the market cap, I'm very, very interested in this particular meme coin. As you can see, in the last 30 days, it has done 182%. This is how it all starts, and before you know it, it could just run to billions of dollar market cap. Let's scroll all the way down. As you can see, last 2 months when it was created, it was created on 13th of September and launched on CoinGecko on 24th of September. It has done 3,700%. That's a lot, guys. Now, this is something you need to pay attention to. Let's scroll all the way down to see where you can actually buy this particular meme coin. You can actually see some of the markets you can actually buy it. Some of them are sweet dexes, which is Blue Move, Cetus, and Turbos Finance. All these things are dexes. This is our centralized exchanges, which is the CoinX, ST.com, and MXC. All these things are centralized exchanges. In my humble opinion, I'll be taking a huge position on these triple cards. I understand the risk involved. I also understand the reward involved. So let's go to Twitter and look at what people are saying about this particular meme coin. If you come to Twitter, you can actually see that quite a lot of people are actually very bullish on this. You can see everyone is really chatting it. Let's scroll down. I'm going to show you what this particular meme coin have actually achieved in the last 2 months. As you can see, since this particular meme coin was launched, you can see they've actually created 3.8 rate bot. This is a crypto robot. You can actually see double 3.8 web game. They also created a game. They've also created a website, white paper, Twitter boards, and custom animation and apps. So just for you to see what's actually going on, especially the community actually excited. In my opinion, there is no reason for me to get into a meme coin. It's just for the fun and for the moment. But you just need to know when to get it and when to leave. Right now makes a lot of sense. I didn't mean this particular meme coin is already $1 billion market cap. I might not be interested to go ahead to buy it. So this is the first on the list. Let me go ahead to show you other meme coin I'm also looking at in the SUI network. The second on the list is HIPPO. HIPPO has done 38% today. HIPPO is one of the first meme coin that was created on the SUI ecosystem. As you can see, HIPPO market cap is at $275 million, which is still very cheap. As you can see, the whole 10 billion token is already in circulation. Makes a lot of sense. You just have to understand that there is no really big value in terms of dealing with meme coins. It's just meme for the fun and for you to take advantage of the price movement. So it's just too early for you to take advantage of this SUI meme coin. The third on the list for me is Bob. Now, Bob is also another meme coin in SUI network. As you can see, the market cap, $52 million market cap. And as you can see, over 80 to 90% of the token is already in circulation. Makes a lot of sense for you to get into. To me, this particular meme coin the market cap is quite huge. I'm going to be paying more attention on the AAA card, which is the first one I told you guys that this is just for educational purposes for you to go and do your own personal research. As you can see, this particular meme coin was launched on CoinGecko at August 5th, 2024, 3 months ago. It has done 25,000% already. So it has actually moved a lot, and it can actually move higher because the market cap is still at $52 million market cap. This can easily run to $2 to $3 billion market cap during this bull cycle if a lot of liquidity enters SUI ecosystem. The last on the list here is Ford. Now, Ford is also another meme coin on the SUI ecosystem. The market cap is just 30 million. And you can actually see about 60% of the supply is already in circulation. It makes a lot of sense, but I might not even be taking much position on this particular meme coin. But I like the first one I told you, and I'm also going to be taking advantage of the Bob. So this particular meme coin called Ford is also another one to look out for in the SUI ecosystem if you want to be buying meme coins that is created on SUI. I believe you know where to buy it by going to the market. You can buy it on the DEXs. You can also buy it on the centralized exchange. Most of them are already on centralized exchange. Just take advantage of it. In my opinion, I strongly believe that SUI could be one of the winners in this current bull run. You just have to take advantage of it right now. Thank you for watching this video and see you in another video.